In this video, I'm going to show you how to design professional looking thumbnails in CapCut. No long talk, let's get straight into the video. The first thing we're going to do is to look for a background image. You can download your background on Google, Pinterest, FreePic or any other source. But we're going to create our own background image here in Canva. So click on plus at the bottom and search for YouTube thumbnail. So click to create your project. Select the page and click on color at the bottom. So you can select any color of your choice or create any background image of your choice. But we're just going to go with a plain color background. So select the color of your choice. Once you are done, click on download at the top right corner. Next, open your CapCut app and create a new project. Select your background image, then add it to the project. The next thing we're going to do is to add an image. So you can simply take a photo of yourself and remove the background either in CapCut, Canva or any other external app. So let me know in the comment section down below if you want to learn how to remove the background of images. So we're going to go to overlay at the bottom, then add overlay. Simply select the image of your choice. So I'm going to use this one and we're going to scale it up a bit like this. Position it somewhere here, and the next thing we're going to do is add some text. So go back, then click on text, then click on add text, and we're going to say thumbnail. Okay, so we're going to style this text. The first thing we're going to do is to change the font style. Click on fonts, then click on add font, and I'm going to use the bold font which I imported into CapCut. So if you want to learn how to import your own custom fonts into CapCut, I have a video on that and I will leave the link in the video description. So we're going to style this text. Click on styles and we're simply just going to give it a background. So click on background at the bottom, then click on this one and we're going to give it yellow background and we're going to reduce the corner radius, height, the width and the Y offset. We bring it somewhere here. Okay, so we're going to go back to text here and we're going to change the color to black. Click on OK, then we're going to move it to this position. Okay, next we're going to do is to duplicate this. So come at the bottom and locate duplicate. Okay, then move the second one to the bottom like this and we're going to edit the text. We're going to say tutorial. Okay, so we can change the styling for this one. We are simply going to change the background color. So click on styles and click on background, then change the color to white. Okay, so this is looking good so far. The next thing we're going to do is to add CapCut logo, since this is about thumbnail tutorial in CapCut. So you can download it on Google or any other source. I'm going to go back and click on overlay, add overlay, and I'm simply going to locate the CapCut app, then add it to the page. Let's reduce the size and position it somewhere here. Next, I'm going to show you how to adjust your image. So select the image and scroll to adjust at the bottom. Click on adjust. By the way, I have a video on how to adjust your video or image in CapCut. I will leave the link in the video description. So let's simply just adjust this image. Okay, so once you are done, simply just screenshot the image and we are going to select the image and we are going to crop it like this. Then click on done and save to photos. So I'm just going to show you how you're going to add it. So let's go to YouTube Studio and let's say that I'm going to change the thumbnail for this video. So click on it and click on edit here. Then click on the change feature at the top left corner. Then we're going to click on change here. Then you simply select your thumbnail. If you want to learn more about how to create professional thumbnails, I have many other videos on how to create thumbnails using different options, so you can check them out. I'll leave the links in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, please support my goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year by subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment down below and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.